everybody, welcome back to my channel.
I'm so excited to be taking you on this tour of the Versailles Hotel, or as it's called, the Grand Control. This is the lobby of the hotel. They always have macaroons and fruit on hand, and you can also sit in this area to have breakfast or lunch. The terrace was beautiful at night, and I absolutely loved having high tea in this beautiful tea room. Now let's get on with a tour of our suite that we stayed in.
To start off the tour of this amazing room, we have this bathroom over here. Now follow me into the second bedroom attached to this entire beautiful suite. I love all of this when you walk in, the blue and the pink. Then you have this closet and 3 spacious drawers. Now come into here. We had a romantic setup in here, so that's why you see all the rose petals. I loved it, all the pink. Everything is so beautiful. All of these detailing and the sconces. I'm like this close to putting sconces in the house like this. Come look at the view. It's insane. It's of Versailles. So there you can see the Versailles steps. You see the orangery over there, which we'll show you more of later. You have another window over here that you can open as well. This bathroom is gorgeous as well. Amazing views of Versailles while you're showering. It was just outstanding. You can see people on the stairs touring right now.
And here is the shower and toilet area of the bathroom.
Now that we're done with this amazing room, let's check out the rest of the suite. You have a long hallway. First, let's go in here. Starting off in here, you have 2 closets on each side.
As you walk in, they give you an itinerary of your trip.
This gorgeous bed with a chandelier. Come into the room. This is the living room for this bedroom. You're gonna see another living room. Also very beautiful. All the furniture is from the 18th century. So it's all authentic. This area is super cute. You have more stunning views. You have this gorgeous little vanity. And very nice. Come into the bathroom. I'm right in the bath right now.
Taking a bath and overlooking the orangery is so beautiful.
Follow for more. This is the living room. We just had breakfast in here. It was amazing. Pastries, really amazing eggs, some tea. I had lots of tea here. Look at this beautiful mirror. I love the decor of this entire place. More amazing views of the lake, the orangery, the stairs of Versailles, and the castle. Big comfy couch. I totally love this chair. Just come here, read, which we do not do because we were exploring. This is a little library.
Here's a view from that living room we were just in. Down below is the terrace, which is so beautiful. We went out there one night, and it's also where Justin proposed to me, and we watched fireworks from. The hotel has its own little garden before you reach the gates of Versailles, where the orangery is and the steps. We mostly took the steps while we were at this hotel, but I also liked that the elevator blended into the walls. It made you feel like there was no modern technology here. From the elevator, you walk down this long hall to get to the spa area. This is the sauna. I love the tiles.
This is like a toilet slash shower area. Then over here you have these lockers. We have some robes. I'm changing into slippers. And then just turning around, the sink area. And they give you lots of towels and little, manicure kit, things like that.
How stunning is the pool? You might have seen it in my vlog that I posted, but it was so beautiful swimming in this pool and just being in this area. Just so relaxing that it's indoors too. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you made it this far, then please subscribe.